In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert vertical line in Google Docs document. So click on Insert, then click on Drawing, click on New. Here is the option Select Line. So click on this drop down, select line. Now draw vertical line. And if you press Shift, so you can insert and draw a straight vertical line. Also, you can customize, like you can change column, like you can change color, style and size. You can make arrow. That's it. And after modified and customize, just click on save and close. That's it. So as we can see, we have vertical line. And if you want to edit, so double click on it. That's it. Thanks for watching.